How to get bail for a domestic violence charge. Step by step. Step 1. Contact a licensed bail bond company in your area. The top bail bond companies are open 24/7 and are always available in times of need. An excellent bail bond company will be well versed in helping you obtain a bail bond for domestic violence. Step 2. Bail costs for defendants suspected of domestic violence vary depending on several factors, including the state and location of the charge, the circumstances of the charge, prior offenses, and additional factors. Step 3. Consult with and then contract with a bail company that can secure your release from custody. We hope that this information about bail was helpful to you. Aladdin Bail Bonds. Bigger because we're better. We get you out. We get you through it. Aladdin Bail Bonds is the largest bail service provider in the United States. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Visit AladdinBailBonds.com or call 800-300-2245, 800-300-BAIL.